Now, I want to point something out here about importing data inside of the newer versions of Microsoft Excel. If you liked the old interface for the import, actually going through the text import wizard, it's actually something you can still activate through the legacy import data features. Take a look. If I go back to my data tab, top of my screen, I can go into get data, and currently on my system, I have an option for legacy wizards. Let me click outside of this table. So data, get data, legacy wizards, and I've activated two of them. I've activated both the access wizard and the text legacy wizard as well. My options there. Now, if you go in your data tab to get data, you may not see the legacy wizard options there because it's actually something you have to turn on inside of the Excel options. Take a look. So I'm going to go to my File tab. I'll go down to Options all the way down at the bottom. And inside the Options window, I'm going to go to Data. In the bottom portion of the data section, you got Show Legacy Data Import Wizards. So I've turned on both the Access and the Text Legacy Wizards. This will allow me to use the older imports. You may have watched that video where it takes you step by step through the import process, in this case on text or an Access database. So once you turn those on, and that will then become an option on your data tab, get data, and you'll have your legacy wizards right there. So just an FYI for those newer Excel users, you can turn those on if you want the older wizard. Some people feel like they get a little bit more control over the initial import inside of those steps, or they just don't want to go through the Power Query operations with transforming data. Okay? Whatever the case is, you have it there. You can still activate it in the newer editions of Microsoft Excel.